how to turn on free chat in Among Us. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can enable or turn on free chat if you're playing Among Us. Of course, the first thing that you want to have to do to unlock this feature is make sure that your Among Us application is updated to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is to open up the app. Make sure that you're logged in to any of the account available that you can use. Tap on play, tap on online, find game, and then once you've successfully located these types of games, all you have to do next is to access the filters option that is actually on your right side. Tap on that, and then from here, switch from general into chat. So as you can see under chat type, you should be able to see free chat and quick chat. Just make sure that free chat is thick or has a check mark so that you can enable and use it. And that's basically it. That's how you turn on free chat in Among Us.